Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many HelloBaby Monitor users might encounter, the need to reset the monitor. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues or just want to start fresh, resetting your HelloBaby Monitor can often solve these problems. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of how to reset your HelloBaby Monitor. Step: power off the monitor. The first step is to power off your HelloBaby Monitor. Locate the power button on the device and turn it off. This is usually a straightforward process, but make sure to check your user manual if you're unsure. Step: unplug the monitor. Once the monitor is powered off, go ahead and unplug it from the power source. Disconnect any additional cables connected to the monitor as well. This ensures a complete power cycle. Step 3. Remove batteries, if applicable. If your HelloBaby Monitor operates on batteries, go ahead and remove them. This step is essential to ensure a complete reset, as it removes any stored power in the system. Step: wait for a few minutes. Now, the most crucial step: give it some time. Wait for at least a few minutes before proceeding. This allows the internal components to discharge and ensures a clean slate for your monitor. While we're waiting, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step: power on and reconnect. After the waiting period, plug your HelloBaby Monitor back in and power it on. If you removed batteries, reinsert them. Reconnect any cables that were unplugged. This step marks the beginning of the monitor's reboot process. Step: factory reset, if needed. If a simple power cycle doesn't solve your issues, you might need to perform a factory reset. Refer to your user manual for specific instructions on how to do this, as the process can vary between different HelloBaby Monitor models. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to reset your HelloBaby Monitor. Remember, troubleshooting and resetting are common practices to address connectivity or performance issues. If you still encounter problems after following these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to HelloBaby customer support for further assistance.